If you're a beginner and want to grow on YouTube using AI, this video is for you. I never make random videos. First, I find topics beginners are searching for, like AI tools, ChatGPT tips, or... Then I use ChatGPT to write a powerful script with a strong hook and a clear call to action.
Next, I generate AI images that perfectly match every scene of my script.
You can use your own voice or an AI voice. The most important thing is clear and energetic audio. Now I edit everything together. I add subtitles, sound effects, transitions, and change visuals every few seconds to keep viewers engaged.
A good thumbnail increases clicks. I always use bold text, bright colors, and one clear subject.
I'm finally ready to show you my YouTube studio. Let's go ahead and hit that publish button. And just like that, we are live.
When I started, some videos got very few views. Consistency is more important than one viral video.
Don't wait for perfect videos. Start today, improve every upload, and keep learning from your audience. If this video helped you, subscribe to Technova AI. I upload beginner-friendly AI tutorials every week. See you in the next video.